Today, we're diving into the world of art with a memorizing geometric animal creation. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we embark on an artistic journey. We're diving deep into the world of geometric animals. Geometric animal art is all about transforming the silhouettes of animals into a memorizing blend of straight lines, angles, and geometric shapes. It's like putting together a puzzle, but with art. We're diving into the world of monochromatic color palettes. That means we'll be using different shades of a single color to breathe life into our geometric animal masterpieces. Through this creative journey, kids learn to appreciate the beauty of boreal animals, develop their artistic skills, and hone their attention to detail. We'll be remembering the wonders of nature as we bring these geometric boreal animals to life. It's a journey of exploration and connection to the remarkable creatures of our world. Ready to unleash your inner artist and remember the majesty of boreal animals?